Good morning, my dear children. I hope that you all are keeping well. And myself, Bhavna Joshua, will teach you today chapter number 9, measurement. When you take the scale in your hands, it just look like this photograph. You can see the mouse cursor on this scale. All of you have seen this scale in your pencil box. So you have seen the pencil, you have seen the spoon, you have seen the eraser, many things you have seen in your pencil box. So let's start with the new chapter, that is measurement. The things how we should identify the length, and with the help of a scale we can measure all these things. So let's warm up how long these objects are. So you have to identify that how this crayon pencil is long. So the crayon pencil is how many unit long? So 0 to 1 is 1 meter, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is the crayon is 5 unit long. So here how many units the spoon is long? 0 to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the spoon is 4 units long. So here you can see this girl's face is telling you something. A ruler has marking called units. So always remember that a ruler has got these markings, and these markings are called units. So you can see this pencil with the eraser at the back. You see this pencil is how many units long? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this pencil is 9 units long. So many of the times children, you have went to the shops and you have seen this type of weight machines. So now please see, here it has been said the weight of the doll is equal to the weight of 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3 blocks. You will write here 3. So the weight of the duck is equal to the weight of 6 blocks. How many blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is how we do the measurement of the pencil, and this is how we take the weight of a object. Now let's move to another page, page number 131. Measuring lengths. So here today we will see measuring lengths. Many years ago, people used their body parts such as hand, arm, finger and feet to measure lengths. Lengths were measured as hand span, cubit, finger, foot span, pace and fathom. So you can see here the boy, he is stretching his arms, and this is about 1 meter long. Due to this, measurement done by different people were different. So a small boy's measurement of hand is different, and a elder boy measurement of hand is different, and a young boy or adult boy hand measurement is different, and the old man hand measurement is different. So let's see, we can measure the length of a small object such an eraser, toy car, hairpin and so on with a ruler. The length measured by a ruler is always the same for one object. So with the help of the ruler, you can measure the objects such an eraser. You have got always the eraser in your pencil box. A small toy car which has been shown in the picture, I will show you in the next clip, and hairpin and so on with the ruler. The length measured by a ruler is always the same for one object. So let's move on. See, a small toy car, you can measure it with the ruler. You can also measure the eraser with the ruler. You can also measure the sharpener, your pencil, hairpin, small things you can measure on this ruler. Now, what is a ruler? A ruler measures length in centimeters. You can see in the picture centimeter. cm has been written and centimeter is shown from 0 to 1 is called centimeter, and for centimeter the short form is used as cm. For example, we measure the length of a toy car using a ruler as. You can see in the picture how many units the toy car is long. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the length of the toy car is 4 centimeter or 4 cm. The length of the toy car is 4 centimeter or 4 cm. The length of a longer object such as cloth, door, tree and so on is measured in meter. Small objects is measured in centimeter, and the length of cloth, that is very big, door, that is also very big, tree is also very big. You cannot measure the door, cloth or tree with the help of ruler or in centimeters, but it can be measured in meters. Meter is the standard unit of length. So meter is the standard unit of length, means meter is the length of anything is measured in meter. We use meter tape to measure length in meter. You can see here the meter tape has been shown in the picture. With this measure tape we use to measure the length in meter, whether it is cloth, door, tree, almirah and so on. So now please see everyday maths. So Ravina's mother bought a green sari on Ganesh Chaturthi. Circle the unit in which the shopkeeper measures the sari. So sari is very long, so you will circle meter. The sari is measured with meters, not centimeter. You cannot measure the sari with the help of small scale or ruler. You can measure the sari with a measuring tape. So why do you celebrate this festival? Can you name the animal vehicle used by Lord Ganesha? So you can see that Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated for which purpose? And the vehicle of Lord Ganesha is mouse. All of you know that. Very good. So let's move on. Relation between meter and centimeter. Now I will tell you what is the relation between meter and centimeter. Centimeter is the smallest unit to measure length. Always remember children, centimeter is the smallest unit to measure length and meter is the bigger unit. Centimeter is the smaller unit and meter is the bigger unit. So I have written kilometer, hectometer, and then decameter, meter, then centimeter and millimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So you have to multiply 1 with 100 and it will become 100 centimeters. So 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 5 meter is 500 centimeters. Similarly, 500 centimeter is equal to 500 meters. Now let's see the mental maths. Write M for meter and cm for centimeter to measure the given objects. Children, you can see which object you can measure by the measuring tape and which with the meter tape, and which object you can measure with the help of the ruler, scale. So a small sharpener can be measured with the scale and you will write here centimeter. A small paintbrush is also measured with the scale. You write here centimeter. This door is very big, so it will be measured by a meter tape. You will write here meter. The battery is very small and you can measure it with your scale, so you will write here centimeter. This tree is too big for you and for us also, so it cannot be measured with the ruler. It will measure with the help of measure tape, so you will write here M. I hope you have understood this. Let's move on. Now here you can see, children, measure the given objects using the given ruler. You can see here one small ruler has been given and we have to measure the pictures, that what is the measurement of these objects. So let's begin with this pencil. This pencil is, the length of this pencil or pipe is how many meters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here you will write 10 centimeter. The palm of the hand is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 centimeters. And the length of the key is how many meters? 1, 2, 2 centimeters. Here you can, children, you can see, I will show you in a big matter. The line has been drawn here in between 0 to 1, 1 to 2 and 2 to 3 and so on. So let's count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So between the 0 to 10, 10 lines have been made. 4 lines are small, the 5th line is big, then 4 lines is small and this line is big. So the distance is 9 among every distance. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5th line is big, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On 10th you have got one number. So let's see. I hope you have understood. I have told you, you can see it on your scale. So let's move on. Write M or cm for measuring lengths of these objects. Length of the pole, always you cannot measure the pole with the ruler, so it will be measured with the meter tape. You will write here M. Length of the pencil, again I am telling you, pencil is a small object. You can measure it with the centimeter with the help of a scale. Length of a small wooden block, it can also be measured with the scale. You will write centimeter, cm. Length of a ladder, you cannot measure it with the help of ruler. The ladder is too big for you, so you can measure it with the help of meter tape. You will write here meter. The length of the stapler is small. You can write here centimeter. You can measure it with your ruler. And the length of the notebook is centimeter. You can measure it with the scale. Just write 2 zeros after the number. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. What you have to do? After 1 you have to write 2 zero and it will become centimeter. Now fill in the blanks. All the digit has been given. 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeter. You can multiply it with 100. It will become 800. 2 is multiplied with 100. It will become 200 centimeters. So 800 centimeter is equal to 8 meter. 200 centimeter is equal to 2 meter. 600 centimeters is to 6 meter. And 900 centimeter is equal to 9 meters. 400 centimeter is equal to 4 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeters. And 7 meter is equal to 700 centimeters. So let's move on. Now you will have this exercise in your book. So you have to subtract. So students, let's move forward. Find the longest pencil, measure the pencil A, B, C, D and find the longest pencil among them. So you can see here 4 pencils are there and we have to measure this pencil. Let's start with number A. So you can see from 0 to 1, 2, 3. So you can see the first pencil, A pencil is 3 centimeters long, B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 centimeter long. Number C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeters long. And number D is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 centimeters long. So the longest pencil is D. So let's see the project activities. So you can see here children, the building is made in your book. So visit a nearby tailor shop with your parents. Request a tailor to show you a meter rod. Definitely students, if you will go along with your mother and father and ask the tailor to please show you the meter tape, he will definitely show you the meter tape or the meter rod from which he used to measure the length of the cloth. Now see how he or she uses it to measure a piece of cloth. Now see, the tallest building in the world is Burj Khalifa. It is 828 meter long. Now you multiply 828 with 100 as I have done. So can you write the length of the building in centimeters? Yes, it is 82,800 centimeters. And where it is located? It is located in Dubai. So let's move forward. Addition and subtraction of length. So many times students, we have started with addition of a small number, subtraction of a small number, addition of the larger number, bigger number, addition of a smaller number and subtraction of a smaller number and bigger number we have done in the previous chapters. So let's move on. So here it has been written, Sharma, a shop owner, sold 5 meter 200 centimeter cloth in the morning. She sold 3 meters 400 centimeters of clothes in the evening. How much cloth she sell in all? First, write the numbers with meter under meter column and numbers with centimeter under the centimeter column and then solve. So 5 meters and 200 centimeters. Under the meter you will write 5. Under centimeters you will write 200. Here 3 meters you will write under 3 under meter and 400 centimeters you will write here 400. Then you will 0 will come as 0. This 0 also will come as 0. 2 plus 4 is 6 and 5 plus 3 is 8. So she sold 8 meters 600 centimeters cloth in all. So Aryan had 8 meters 40 centimeters of wire. He cut a piece of 4 centimeters from it. How much wire is left? So first of all you will write 8 meter under the meter column and 40 centimeters in the centimeter column. So 4 meters will come here and 30 will come in the centimeter column. 0 will as it is. 4 minus 3 is 1 and 8 minus 4 is 4. So always write correct unit in the answer. Always write correct units in the answer. So you can see here the exercise has been given. Meter, decameter and centimeters you will use here in your books. So as I have done here, meter and centimeters, 2 meters 80 centimeters, 4 meter and 15 centimeters you have to add. 5 will come as it is. 8 plus 1 is 9 and 2 plus 4 is 6. Here also 6 meters 30 centimeters, 2 meters 26 centimeters, 6 will come as it is, 3 plus 2 is 5 and 6 plus 2 is 8. Then 3 meters 45 centimeters, 1 meter and 30 centimeters. So 5 will come as it is, and 4 plus 3 is 7 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 meters and 75 centimeters total. Here 5 meter 20 centimeters, 1 meter 30 centimeters. Here you will 0 will come as it is, and 2 plus 3 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 meter and 50 centimeters. Here 1 meter 2 centimeter, 1 meter 30 centimeters. 2 will come here, 3 will come as it is, 1 plus 1 is 2. So total is 2 meter and 32 centimeters. This is the addition exercise, and you have to do it in your own books. So let's see the subtraction. So 5 meters and 35 centimeters, 1 meter and 21 centimeters. So 5 minus 1 is 4 and 3 minus 2 is 1. And when you subtract 5 with 1, it will come 4. So total is 4 meter and 14 centimeters. Similar exercises has been given. 4 meter 36 centimeters, 2 meter 20 centimeters. 6 will come as it is, 3 minus 2 is 1 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So total measurement is 2 meters and 16 centimeters. 5 meters 72 centimeters, 3 meters 32 centimeters. 2 minus 2 is 0, 7 minus 3 is 4, 5 minus 3 is 2. So total number is 2 meter and 40 centimeters. Here also you can see 3 meters 60 centimeters, 1 meter 20 centimeters. 0 will come as 0, 6 minus 2 is 4 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 meters and 40 centimeters. Always remember, you have to write meter and centimeters in the correct formation, and then your answer will be right. So 7 meters and 95 centimeters, 4 meters and 25 centimeters. 5 minus 5 is 0, 9 minus 2 is 7 and 7 minus 4 is 3. So 3 meters and 70 centimeters. So students, I will stop here only. In the next session that will come on Saturday, we will post you a new video and we will start measuring weight. So I hope that you have understood how to add and subtract all these things, and stay at home and stay safe and do all the exercises in the book up to page number 136. Thank you.